You can see where they've done some controlled burns up here. These deadfalls are charred up. And this video will probably be split into a few parts. Maybe half on the ProCut main channel and half on Weimaraner. Which, of course, if you're not familiar with Weimaraner, I'll have an end card for it. And on Weimaraner, the videos all consist of just Donovan, possibly a few other dogs, but no other random videos on there, just dogs. I don't know if you can tell on video, but it's a long ways down there to the road and even further down to the trail. We're way up here on a ridge. The river's out there. You can see pretty good now. The leaves are still not back yet. They're just, certain trees are starting to bud out, but you can see the bridge over there to the island. To the top of the ridge. I think once I get up there, I'm going to switch over to the head mount. Maybe. And then down there you can see the old farmhouse and the barn back there in the corner, and it looks like they've put new siding on that barn or something, or pressure washed it, sanded it, because it looks like clean blonde wood. May have to walk down there and check that out. But that'll probably be a mission for another day. We've circled around to the back side of the ridge and we're coming up toward the top now. And once we get to the top of the ridge, of course, we'll head back east toward the other end of the ridge. Oh, there went a pileated woodpecker. Those are really cool birds. They're I hope you just heard him. Despite the airplane coming over now. But those pileated woodpeckers are really cool. Destructive buggers, but they stand about 12 or so inches tall. Really neat bird. Now the trail splits here. You can go west, and there's a bench that you could sit and relax on, or you go east and continue the loop. And also it takes you to the tallest point in the Seven Islands Bird Park here. All right, I'm gonna see how the cell service is here and maybe go live for the rest of this walk. Thanks for staying with me.